Are you sick and tired of people telling you on YouTube videos and telling you that you can make money online with testing different apps, or listening to music and getting paid $60 per hour, or filling out surveys and leading you to websites that don't even work? Well guys, today you guys are in luck because I'm going to be talking about the hottest ways to make money online in 2019, and they are legit ways to make money online because I've actually done almost all of them. Now, some of these methods you actually have to put in a good amount of work in the beginning, but I'm telling you, if you're willing to put in the work in the beginning, you can create an online business and passive income for yourself that will last as long as you want it to last. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Marissa. You're gonna want to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell because I have a couple of crazy videos in the lineup for this channel, including free full courses that I'll just be giving away here on my channel, so you won't want to miss a thing. Hit the notification bell and subscribe. Alright, let's get down to business. Well, the first method that I'm talking about of making money online in 2019 is starting an Instagram growth agency. Now you guys might be thinking, well, what is this? Well, it's a really cool way if you have any experience with Instagram at all. Personal brands and businesses are dying to grow their Instagram. It is still a very hot platform to get involved with, and people really need help growing their engagement, their following, having ideas for better branding on their page. And you are extremely capable of helping businesses and personal brands grow their audience on Instagram. And let me tell you why this is possible. If you take a look at my Instagram, I have actually grown to 23,000 followers, and just about a year ago today I was only at 5,000 followers. And all I do is leverage a simple Instagram automation tool that helps me get real followers, real engagement, real growth, and I get over 10% engagement on every single photo. And the reason I know the demand is high for an Instagram growth agency is because every day people ask me, how do I grow my Instagram? And I lead them to the software that I use called Stem Social. It's an excellent software. So essentially what you can do is get different clients to also use this software but pay you more to help them with the branding, the growth, and the initial startup of getting their Instagram on track and getting their Instagram to grow. But the actual tool does all the heavy lifting for you. A friend of mine actually has an Instagram growth agency, and he makes anywhere from $2,500 to $3,000 per month residually without having to do hardly any type of work. He maybe works 4 hours a month on his Instagram growth agency just by leveraging the power of an Instagram growth automation tool. I'll leave the link to the automation tool that I use for Instagram in the description, but definitely think about building an Instagram growth agency. Alright, so the second method of making money online in 2019 is selling websites. Now, I've talked about this several times before, but you're gonna wanna listen in to what I have to say with these couple of websites and how you can put them all together. So the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna go to a website called justdropped.com. Now this website goes over the latest websites that have been released within the past 48 hours that are in high demand and that have really cool names and people will pay a lot of money for. Now, once you go to justdropped.com, you can pick out one of the websites and see how much it is worth or how much it is appraised for on another website called sdbot.com. Now, in sdbot.com, you can copy and paste some of these domain names for free for the first maybe 3 to 5 websites, but then after that, you do have to pay. But let me tell you why this works. If you're on justdrop.com and you pick a website for, let's say that's selling for $67 a month and it's appraised for $2,000, that is profit in your wallet. Alright guys, that is going to work. One of the factors you do have to consider is that your site won't sell right away. You'll have to put it on another website such as auctionsgodaddy.com or flippa.com, where I've actually sold a ton of websites before. On Flippa, people can actually bid an auction for your website, so that's kind of cool. Other two websites where you can go to sell and auction off your websites that you found on justdrop.com are afternick.com and cedo.com. So check those out. So think about that strategy and see if you can utilize it. The third method I must mention, you guys may or may not have heard it before, and that is product creation, and using that as a way to make money online in 2019. And the reason I cannot stop hounding this method is because if you look at all the millionaires in this industry, in this online business industry, you will see that every single millionaire has at least one if not 3 digital courses of their own that they are selling and making 100% profit. And not only that, they have probably a ton of affiliate marketers marketing their products, which gives them even more sales and gives the affiliate marketers a commission for selling their products. And in this day and age, there's no excuse why you cannot start and create your own product. You can literally start a product on anything, like how to play Fortnite, how to cook, how to learn guitar in 3 simple steps, how to build social media, how to do your Instagram. Whatever you want to create a product on, you can do it. You can start with a simple ebook. But what I recommend for getting started and getting ideas is going to udemy.com and figuring out what the most popular courses are and seeing if you can get a piece of that market share. And really, there is no excuse to building a platform if you want to make a course with video-based tutorials, because you can go to, for example, teachable.com and gumroad.com and get started and build on these platforms. The last time I checked, it was free, but a very, very, very extremely low cost. So just about 0 startup money to create your own digital course. All right, so this leads me to my 4th method of one of the hottest ways to make money online in 2019, and that is creating product videos for personal brands or companies. Now, as businesses transition to the online world and digital products is in a more higher demand than ever, you can create videos displaying and showing how people's products work. And let me tell you why. Companies are extremely terrible at creating their own product videos on different things. And if you have any experience at all with videography and simple editing, and you don't even need anything fancy, just a simple iPhone would suffice, you can advertise your services to create product videos for people. And you can start off by requesting anywhere from $100 to $250 per video. And then as your quality and clientele and reviews go up, you can charge way more. I mean, I literally knew a videographer who charged $2,000 for maybe a 3-minute video that he produced of a product. I think it was a backpack. But that just goes to show you, the better you get at this, the more crazier prices you can charge. And I've actually done this myself. A friend of mine had a baby store where she needed a product video. I'm like, hey, I could do that. So, I just filmed her with the product and the baby, and that video went viral and it made her a ton of sales. When I say I've used most of these methods to make money online, I was not kidding. But yeah, it's just to go with an example. I just filmed a couple shots of her with the product, threw up a couple titles, added music, and that was that. So if you're wondering how to get, maybe your first client, go on Craigslist. You can go on Fiverr.com, Freelancer.com, Upwork.com. You can join different Facebook groups asking for permission to see if you can talk about your services for these video product creations. It's really not that hard to do. And now we'll go ahead and talk about my 5th and final idea of how to make money online in 2019, and that is promoting different softwares or online programs where you can actually show people how to do something. So what I mean by software promotion, this could be any online business tool, a videography program such as iMovie or Final Cut Pro. If you know how to use a software, or even if you don't, you could learn easily how to use a software. It's maybe like a 4-5 hour learning curve to learn quite a significant amount of the program. What you can do is create videos and teach people how to use these softwares. Now, this is a huge money-making method. Trust me, I've made tens and thousands of dollars just doing this myself. So my recommendation to you is find a software that's fairly new, because that traffic is going to be more potent on the internet. Tens and thousands of people are going to be searching, how to do this type of function on this type of software. And for you giving value and leading with value and showing them how to do everything step by step, they will sign up with that program through your link. And it's a great and predictable way to make recurring commissions with this software and this program, because it's predictable, and every month you're going to get an X amount of commissions from the money you make from people signing up for your link. So literally all you would have to do is teach people on YouTube, and I say YouTube because it's completely free and easy to upload these types of tutorial videos. You can use screen share software like Snagit, Camtasia, and teach people how to use these things. It's literally like setting up online real estate on the internet that is evergreen and people can go to over and over again. I've talked to a guy who actually has a techie type channel, and he says his #1 money making videos are actually the tutorial based videos that he does with iMovie, with Final Cut Pro, and with other programs where he breaks down, a beginner tutorial step by step. He said those videos have gone viral for him, have gotten organically over 1 million views. So it works, you guys. So if you're, for example, promoting GoDaddy.com, you would want to make a video about how to build a website, and then of course funnel people in your description to GoDaddy.com. So guys, I hope this video was really helpful. Let me know in the comments what you thought and what method resonates with you and what method you'll most likely take action with. But most importantly, the main thing is taking action, because 96% of you guys won't take action. Be that 1% of people that starts their online business and starts making passive income and making money online in 2019. If you guys got any value from this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, hit the notification bell, because it helps support this channel and the hard work that I put in every single day to bring you guys value. Alright, I'm Marissa. I will see you on the next video. Take care.